What's going on, guys? Cam here from Simple AI Automation. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an exciting one. Today we're going to be talking about a business you can start right now and easily make $100 a day by just getting one client in your local area and repeating this process every single day. And by the end of the month, you should be able to have at least $1,000 of monthly retainers, and then just build up this process, scale it up to $10,000 a month, and then figure out how to build a team to do this. And that's how you scale it and scale it and scale it. So with that being said, guys, before we get into this, I quickly wanted to talk about what we use to make this happen, and that is Chatgpt. So with that being said, let's go ahead and explain this to you guys. So before we really get into how to make the money, we really need to talk about why it's so important and why you need to be getting on this right now. AI has been around for a very, very long time, but in order to talk to an AI intelligence, you needed to know how to talk code. You needed to know how to use the AI. So the biggest thing is it just wasn't as accessible online before, because you needed to know how to code or write computer programs in order to use an AI properly. Now with the new generative pre-trained transformer, which is basically GPT, the GPT basically transforms what you're saying into the AI language, and then it basically spits it back and translates it. So it's basically a Google Translate for English or whatever language you're speaking to AI. So it's very powerful for anything when it comes to writing online scripts or when it comes to writing any online SEO. So one of the biggest places that most small businesses lack is online presence. And one of the biggest ways that they could build their business is through having an online presence. So while most people are telling you use Chatgpt to build an e-commerce business, I'm going to show you a completely different way of making money through Chatgpt. And yes, you can go about the copywriter method. That's not going to work nearly as well as the way that I run my business. I'm running a 6-figure a month business just doing social media marketing and running online digital marketing for one specific niche marketplace. And this is going to be something you can repeat the process in and do in any sort of niche business. And that's why it's so powerful. You can start one agency and then duplicate it and start the next. And if you're really good at systems and building teams, and maybe you've been around businesses for a long time, this is a very, very massive entry point, because you can train people who are not very talented when it comes to maybe English writing, or when it comes to putting together proper scripts, and you can have them using AI to do a majority of the work, and all you need is their time. And then basically, once you've built out a successful product, scale it through an agency and build out a list of KPIs, track your KPIs so that you know how you're basically doing what you're doing, and then build a list of operations and get a team to run the business for you, and just repeat the process in every niche and every category across business. The cool part about this is Chatgpt has made it so accessible for anybody who has an internet connection to be able to talk in any form of language. So let's go ahead and dive back into the research end of things. So the other places that Chatgpt could be very valuable is for their chatbot APIs. You can build these into your stores or into your websites so they can generate a response as if somebody was talking to another person. That's why it's so powerful. You can have this AI giving an instant response based on the question that your client may be asking in a DM. And the really cool part, and where you can become the middleman, is learning the skill of setting up the AI to do something. Because once you know how to do that, you can just go to other business owners in your local market, because you got to remember the skill that you're learning, not everybody in your local market is going to know it right now. They're running their businesses right now. They're probably not even doing market research on what AI really is. So learn the skill, show people through content what you've done, and then market to people online. Don't go to every store in the area. So I think one of the biggest hacks, if you really wanted to jumpstart your business, if I had to start from zero, I would just start another Instagram page and start building my portfolio. What people don't realize is your Instagram page is just a portfolio. And if you can build that Instagram page up with quality product, all you have to do is cold DM people who already have a presence on social, and don't cold DM them trying to sell your service. Cold DM them, offering them value. Provide your service to them completely for free. And if it's so valuable, they're going to come back and they're going to pay for that service again. And that's why AI is such a powerful business model, because it doesn't take much work at all. So you can do so much free work using AI. And in time, you're going to be able to take on so many clients because of the trust you've built through this little bit of work that you're putting in, entering data into a chatbot. It's such a crazy skill because it's not much of a skill at all. And all you really need to know how to do is talk talk to the AI and ask the right questions. So if you can be the one who understands how to ask the right questions to the AI and know how to build it into other systems, you could make a lot of money being that middleman connector between AI and current business operators. Because what's going to happen is, if you are currently getting customers for your business using AI, once you implement it into their business, they're going to instantly see results. I would really target people who have a lot of digital presence, because they're going to see instant results through this. And if you give them a free product, they're instantly going to see results from that product, and they're going to come back to you. Don't do this for people who don't have a presence. Don't do this for your Uncle Jim just because he has a corner store and he can have an awesome personality online. It's going to take so much more time to make him money online than it is to go after somebody who has a presence online already and has 10,000 followers and just doesn't have their website and funnel system set up properly. And you can set all of this up for them. It doesn't take much time at all. You can even become a middleman between you and somebody who's actually doing all the work, and offload all the work of building the websites and just focus on Chatgpt data input. You can just build all of the scripts and all the sales copies and all the emails. What most people don't realize is all you have to do to get business is send about 100 to 200 emails a day. It was very hard. I used to do it by hand. Now I just write a question to ChatGPT, copy the email, tell ChatGPT to write it as an email. That's the most important thing. Then I ask ChatGPT to write a nice email head. Then I ask it to write it a bit more clickbait. Once I take the title, I ask it to redefine the whole subject matter a little bit more simpler, and then ask it to turn it into a sales script email. And then I send that email to as many people a day. The biggest thing is, once you get a response back in your email, all you have to do is get them on a discovery call, overwhelm them with the knowledge you have with AI, start learning about their business, start learning areas of their business where they can improve their business for them, charge a service rate, and make a ton of money. Anyways, guys, my name is Cameron. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm the owner and founder of Simple AI Automation. And if you guys want to join our community right now on Discord, it's actually going to be a paid community very, very soon. So if you guys want to get in while it's still free, I would definitely suggest clicking that link below. Also, sign up for our mastermind. We do them weekly online. It's been Cam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys soon. Until then, peace out.